I convert hours to minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. For pipe B, I first convert 1.5 to improper fractions. So 1.5 equal to 3 by 2. Then multiply it with 60 to get 1.5 hours equal to 90 minutes. Let the required time be n minutes. Using the data in the question, 1 by n equal to 1 by 60 plus 1 by 90. To add the fractions, we note that LCM of 60 and 90 is 180. So we try to get a common denominator. One by n equal to 5 by 180. Cancelling off the common factor, we get 1 by n equal to 1 by 36, which means n equal to 36 minutes. We can also write n equal to 36 by 60 hours, or cancelling off n equal to 3 by 5 hours.